Welcome to Manufacturing Day 2022. We'll be zooming in manufacturers so they can show you the best of what they produce right here in Missouri.
This is the spring that we make.
F15 or FNA 18.
We make rice cakes.
The air in your Nike shoes.
No matter where you live, there are great opportunities for people like you to make a career and earn a good salary working in manufacturing.
Over the next 10 years, we expect to need nearly 5 million new manufacturing professionals in the United States.
Mrs. Cupp asks from her class, what qualities do you look for in hiring?
Great attitude. That's our biggest thing. Great attitude.
They're looking for motivated people who want to succeed. And if you're willing to do that, we'll teach you everything. That's just the way that manufacturing is. That's really the beauty of it.
It's always changing and challenging you at the same time. We get to push boundaries.
What I enjoy most about manufacturing is that every day you physically make something that goes out into the world.